Hi guys, this is Madness Makeup, aka Caitlin. So today I'm going to be doing my graduation makeup and I'm just gonna get right into the video then. So the reason why I'm doing my graduation makeup now is because I'm graduating on December 11th, but because of the pandemic, it's actually virtual and it's not in person. So I'm going to be doing makeup because I'm gonna make like a graduation video in my cap and gown. I already got it. I got really late though, so that kind of sucks because today's like the day you need to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna get really dolled up. I probably will actually use my Moxie lashes today too. I just kind of gotta decide what palette I'm gonna use for my eyeshadow, but I'm only gonna be doing the eyeshadow tutorial just to save a little bit of time. So yeah, let me go do my face makeup really quick and I will be... Alright, hi guys. So I decided that I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette just because it has actually quite a bit of neutrals in here. So I'm going to take this... Oh, that's not a round crease brush. This is a round crease brush right here from the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set. And I'm actually going to dip into the Virgo matte, which I'm a Virgo, so let's put that in our crease, folks. This shade has a bit of kickback. Alright, it's looking pink on camera, but it's not pink. So next I'm going to dip into the Sagittarius shade right here, the matte. It looks very red, but it's like a red-brown. And we're also going to put that in our crease. Alright. I'm going to take this Farrah blending brush and I'm just going to blend those colors out. Alright, let me just follow suit on the other eye really quick. Alright. So, we're kind of going for more of an orangey look today, I suppose. Well, we'll see. So, because these are big shadows, I did use an actual eye base and not an eye primer today. So, I think... You know what? Man, I have the prettiest shadows ever. I can't even decide which color I want to use. I think I'm gonna use the shade... Pisces is calling to me today, so... It's a beautiful gold shade. It looks like that. My finger. Oh, beautiful. I don't know why. I really like golds. Probably because it's the holiday season soon. Alright, we're gonna put this whole shade all over our lid. Sorry, I thought my cat was in here. I'm going crazy. Okay. So, I think that looks pretty good. Alright. And then what I'm gonna do is you can take a pointed brush or a pencil brush. I'm gonna dip into that Scorpio shade right there and put that on my outer V. Just because I feel like it's a more warm-toned brown. And we're just going to put that in our outer V. Alright, and then I'm going to take... Sorry, my stomach's grumbling because I haven't eaten lunch yet. Alright. So, we blend that out and you're all good. So then let me just do the same thing on my other eye. I kind of do similar looks like this all the time. I just thought it would be something quick and easy. You can really do this with any eyeshadow palette that has like shimmers in it or metallics. Alright. And this is what that shade looks like swatched. It's really pretty. Beautiful color. Alright, and we're going to take our point brush, dip into that Scorpio matte shade, and we're going to plop that on our outer V. I kind of made a wing shaped with it. Oh my god, I can't talk. Wing shape with it. I swear it was darker on this side, and this side it's like red. Why is that? Maybe it is just me. Alright. So, that is it with our palette today. And I'm gonna actually take my BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes palette and put like a white shimmer shade in my inner corner and under my brows. And then I will be right back shortly. Alright guys, so this is the final look I created. I used my Sephora felt tip liner for my eyeliner today and my Almay mascara because it's nice for my contacts. So, I also used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!